The mother cat's close friend, the yellow cat, came over to visit. The yellow cat tried to charm the father cat. The mother cat discovered that the father cat and the yellow cat were secretly dating.
No! No!
The yellow cat pushed the mother cat into the sea. The kitten cried over its mother's disappearance. The kitten was mistreated by the yellow cat when she moved in with the father cat. The kitten was determined to become a police officer. The kitten graduated and officially became a police officer. The kitten returned to the old house, determined to reopen the investigation into its mother's disappearance. The kitten was devastated upon learning the truth about its mother's death. In the end, the kitten arrested the yellow cat for murder. The mother cat must be very proud of the kitten. A beautiful morning in the suburbs.